Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to replace the wiper blades on your car or van. Now these are the old style wiper blades, and if your wiper blades sound like this, you need to change them. Now what you're going to need is you're going to need your hands, you're going to need a towel, you're going to need your new wiper blades, and you're going to need a cup of tea. If you're going to be working on the motor, make sure you've got a lovely cup of tea. So the most important thing is that you buy the correct wiper blades. Obviously measure yours on your existing vehicle and match them up the same. Now the next step is to get the wiper blades in the correct position. As you can see here, mine won't lift up. So what you do is you turn the ignition on, put them on and stop them halfway on the windscreen. And then the most important thing is put a towel on the windscreen. I've heard stories where people are changing the wiper blades, take the wiper blades out, you've got a hard bit of metal at the end. If that smashes down onto the windscreen with the spring, you will crack the windscreen. Okay, so to take it off, the old one, just push the clip in and slide it downwards. And then there's a hole in the wiper blade metal chassis. So once you pull it down a little bit, just move it slightly to the right and out. So take your new wiper blades out of the box and then take them over to the vehicle. Now this is the spring clip here. It just pushes in and that's what holds it in place. So what you need to do now is just offer it up to that bayonet metal fitting. Now just slide it down through the hole and then move it across, and then what you're doing is you're just lifting it upwards. So you want the wiper blade really to be horizontal. So get two hands on it and then just lift it up until you hear a nice clicking sound. Now it's really hard to do this on my own with one hand and film it, and my glamorous assistant is on holiday. And that's as easy as that. Now let's test them out. Absolutely brilliant. Nice easy job. And a famous high street car servicing and repair company will charge you £3 to fit one wiper blade, so you've just saved yourself £6. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. Really do appreciate it, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification button.